Hello, hello. So the topics of today is going to be the middle box of the front seat. So this one I'm going to show you. This one I had to change it because we put the overdrive, and the overdrive is exactly of these places. It's quite good for me because I'm not so I'm quite little, and I can really sit and change it quite easily. It's better than could be normally. It should be much more on the front of the car, so it should be about of this place, and to go for it, it's just a bit difficult. So the place is quite good, but the thing is, I had another box was quite beautiful. I really like it, but yeah, it wasn't possible anymore because the bottom of the old box was really big things, and that wasn't possible anymore. So I had this one too. I found by a friend, and that was exactly what I need. I mean, it was exactly the size of the underneath, and I just cut this one, and then voila, that's it. Bon bah, ça a l'air d'aller. Après, faut que je vois quand je conduis, est-ce que ça me gêne? Bon. Sinon, ça fait cool, j'aime bien.
The witch, the rider, the angel. Artist. Nomad. Family.
La famille en balade.
Hey.
Maman aussi, c'est joli.
Mami,
Ja.
et l'orinaise?
C'est fait, ça tient. Je suis ravie. Bon bah Micha aura plus de siège, on trouvera autre chose. Voilà. And the other box of what I wanted to show you today is the box at the back of the side back the left. So it just so with a friend he helped me to do this beautiful door, and with other friend who's a specialist with metal, we have done this one. So I have to put some oil again. that was winter time, and it's not so good weather, so I didn't have time to put it, but I have to put some new oil and to have this wonderful color. I really like it. And so I like to work with upcycling stuff, so I find this old chains and we put it here. And a friend who worked with metal, he have done this kind of frame to have the solidity, because the carrosserie of the Land Rover is really thin and it's not enough stable. And here we are. So for the moment there is nothing in there because I'm doing isolation. And voilà, aujourd'hui, on va essayer de monter la caisse. Petite boîte à café. Enfin, la porte à café. Yes. C'est tout vide. So that's what I wanted to show you today of the transformation of our Land Rover. Here inside thing. Bye bye.